Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can activate Hey Siri on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your settings app. And after opening your settings app, now you have to scroll until you see the option of Siri. Simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you can see this is the settings of Siri. And in here you can see there is the option of talk to Siri. Simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you can see currently off is selected. All you have to do is tap on Hey Siri option in order to activate your Hey Siri. So if you also want to activate just calling Siri, you can tap on the option Siri or Hey Siri. But for now, I'm simply just going to tap on Hey Siri. So after tapping on it, you have to set up your voice. So simply tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, here now you will be given every dialogue for each page. All you have to do is repeat the dialogue just like this. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. After doing all of that, your Siri is ready. All you have to do is now tap on the done button right here. And you are all set now. You can simply just say Hey Siri and your Siri will be activated on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.